Accumold began in 1985 with the idea that there had to be a better way to produce smaller and smaller molded plastic parts more efficiently and of higher quality than what was currently available in the industry. Back in the mid-'80s, when products like cell phones had just come to market, what we know today as microelectronics was just beginning. From this vision, Accumold invented the very first micro-molding machine. This technology was the first of its kind, dedicated to molding extremely small, high-precision plastic components. As the demand for miniaturization of electronics grew, so did Accumold. Over the years, we've worked with some of the most incredible industry-leading companies around the world. We've created microelectronics components for extremely small devices and sensors. We've created medical components for life-saving implantable and surgical technology like eye surgery, hearing aids, pacemakers, and drug delivery. We've created small optical components for high-precision packages like telecommunication devices, fiber optics, and medical diagnostic tools. And we've created components that help the automotive industry integrate more advanced technologies into their vehicles. Our work helps our customers build the next generation of high-tech devices, and we get to be with them on the cutting edge. To support the demand over the years, Accumold has moved and expanded several times since our humble beginnings in our founder's garage. We were in a rented facility on the other side of Ankeny in the early years. In the late 90s, we bought the land we are currently on, and in 2001, we opened our own dedicated factory. Since then, we've expanded our building a couple of times to the state-of-the-art facilities you see today. Accumold does business all over the world, shipping daily to companies near and far, and we aren't showing any signs of slowing down.